Hey everyone, get ready for something super exciting and totally innovative. Two awesome companies from the Netherlands have teamed up to create a high-tech solution for inspecting wind turbines. And it's all about keeping people safe. Imagine not having to climb up those gigantic wind turbines anymore. That's what these cool drones are for. So, what's the big deal? TNO, known for their AI and digital imaging skills, has joined forces with SpecTX, who are experts in drone inspections. Together, they're making something incredible. It's like a perfect match of human smarts and AI power working together for a better, safer world. These drones are seriously smart. They fly around wind turbines in pairs, scanning the huge blades with super advanced tools like radiography and LiDAR. This means they can see every tiny detail on the blades. Then they use AI to create what's called a digital twin of the blades. Think of it as a virtual copy that's super detailed and accurate. And just like a lot of cool tech these days, it all happens in the cloud and is controlled by an app. Here's a cool example. A video from SpecTX shows the drones checking out a wind turbine blade, focusing on any suspicious spots that might be cracks or other problems. This is a big step up from how turbines are usually monitored. Plus, it's way safer, especially for those massive offshore wind farms or the super tall turbines that are as high as 70-story buildings. But wait, there's more. The AI in these drones can even figure out if a problem on a turbine blade is a manufacturing defect. And all this smart analysis happens while people stay safely on the ground. It's like having a high-tech detective in the sky. Wind power is a huge deal these days. There are over 341,000 wind turbines worldwide, and they're making more and more of our electricity every year. In fact, wind power made up 7.3% of the world's electricity in 2022. That's a lot, and it's growing because wind energy is a clean, renewable way to power our lives. Now, the Netherlands is getting ready to use these drones even more. They've already done some successful tests, and now they're planning more field inspections. This modern approach could be a game changer. It's not just safer, it's also more cost-effective and reliable than the old ways of inspecting turbines. So there you have it, folks. AI drones are the new guardians of wind turbine safety. They're helping make renewable energy even better and keeping people safe. It's amazing how technology and innovation are creating a brighter, cleaner future for all of us. Let's keep our eyes on the skies for these high-flying heroes. For more cool stories like this, don't forget to subscribe to our newsletter.